Good morning, everyone. I'm Vishnu Aktab, and in front of all of you, I'm presenting the Business Line newspaper headline. So, first of all, direct investment by P is lead insurance reforms. Next, Adani eyes global footprint for NDTV to invest $4 billion in petrochemicals in Gujarat. Next, Castrol invest rupees 487.5 crore in TVS mobility platform. Next, Rise TDS links to rupees 50,000 AMFI urges FinMin. Next, move to modernize, digitize retail trade. Next, Twitter plans color coded check marks next week. Next, UAE India working on rupees dirham payment mechanism. Next, borrowed from US Black Friday sale picks up in India. Next, JLR may cut production in UK on semiconductor shortage. Next, Bharat Bio Nasal COVID vax gets emergency use on node as booster. Then on page number 2, in that Adani to raise rupees 20,000 crore Viva future Viva further stake sales. Next, Castrol invest rupees 487.5 crore in TVS digital platform. Next, Amazon to shutter food delivery biz in Bengaluru. Next, JSW Steel revise financial year 23 capex to rupees 15,000 crore. Next, companies struck off by MCA up 90% from pre-pandemic level. Next, deadline for submission of resolution of Shri extended till December 2. Next, PVR Cinemas expands into Tier 1 and 2 cities. Next, with rupees 22,930 crore order book, Garden reach shipbuilders to double turnover. Next, Hero MotoCorp to hike two-wheeler prices in December. Next, Wiretech WABAG impact with ADB to raise rupees 200 crore. Next, Redcliffe Labs to invest $10 billion more on expansion. Next, Tata Consumer Product revamps R&D center to drive products innovation. Next on page number 3, in that UAE India working out rupee dirham payment mechanism. Next, India GCC hope to begin FTA negotiation in Q1 2023. Next, RBI approves 12 Vastora accounts for rupee trade. Next, 16 lakh new jobs created every month. Next, railway to export Vande Bharat trains by 25 to 26. Next, talks on with RBI for merger related forbearance. HDFC Deepak Parekh. Next, GOM on GST on casinos, online gaming, horse racing to submit report next week. Next, PNGRB admins natural gas norms to hasten infra growth, unified tariff April. Next, rationalization of long-term capital gain tax structure on the anvil. Next, government mulls selling stake in Coal India, Hindustan Zinc. Next, CCI OK's proposal to acquire 30% stake in Mahindra Sustain. Then we comes to the page number 4, in that Lambo Arch permanent launched in India. Next, Paravig unveil e-SUVs. Next, Honda and SK on to build $1.9 billion JV battery plant in US. Next, Toyota Kirloskar motor drives in all new Innova High Cross. Next, UK car industry prospect to go from bad to worse. Next, Super Metro 650 a return to roots. Then on page number 5, in that IEX board approves rupees 98 crore shares buyback plan. Next, LIC reduce stake in DCW by over 2%. Next, LIC cuts over 2% stake in Siemens via open market. Next, rise TDS limit to rupees 50,000 AMFI to finance minister. Next, dividend from mutual fund should reach within 7 days SEBI. Next, broker told to report glitch within an hour. Next, L&T Finance completes MAC arms sale. Next, dividend from mutual fund should reach within 7 days SEBI. Next, broker told to report glitch within an hour. Next, benchmark hit new high buoyed by Reliance Wipro. Next, new format for reporting OTC rates in listed non-convertible securities. Then we comes to page number 6 in that article section, data power. Next, a tale of two protest. Next, India retailers are set for global acquisition. Next, the geopolitics of global oil. Then we comes to page number 7 in that forex reserve up dollar 2537 billion. Next, India backs IEC Vice Presidency Chair. Next, Wipro 3D launches industrial grade 3D printer. Next, a panel of MNREGA revamped to submit reports in 3 months. Next, PhonePe in talks to buy just money for $300 million. Next, banks to tap bond market to lock rates fund credit. Next, RBI later blames global factor for missing inflation target. Next, ONDC can help brands increase consumer reach, product discoverability report. Next, rupee expected to hold broadly steady against dollar. ICCI Securities report. Next, paper industry urges PM to resolve coal supply crunches. Then we comes to page number 8 in that Rabi sowing uptrend continues in wheat. Next, Telangana Versity is set to identify better groundnut varieties. Next, Sydney Versity ICAR impact with to launch climate change research. Next, 20,000 cattle succumb to LSD in Maharashtra. Next, Orthodox tea prices dip at Kochi auction on slack overseas demand. Next, plug to enter daily NCR in branded fruits and vegetables. Next, option trader driving up commodities derivatives market. Next, next on page number 9 in that 15-year-old government vehicle to be scrapped Gatkari. Next, MOU signed for research in Ayush sector. Next, about to upgrade 75 PHCs in 9 states. Next, state urges center to avoid raising cess surcharge. Next, licensing provision of for OTT players a trade to startup ecosystem IAMAI. Next, states UTS get rupees 17,000 crore GST compensation. Next, India rectifying past mistakes by celebrating unsung heroes PM. Next, CIL on track to hit 700-meter output track target to financially 23. Next, to train Agniveer's army to buy tactical engagement stimulators. Next, cement firms hike of rupees 15 to 30 bag. Next, CBI's charge sheet 7 in Delhi excise policy case. Shishodia not named. Then on page number 10 in that national retail trade policy rollout gathers momentum. Next, nearly 40 million children missed measles vaccine 2021. Next, ISRO starts countdown for mission. Next, drug makers still grappling with QR barcode logistic. Next, more than 20,000 new hires leave Foxconn unit. Next, Twitter will introduce multicolor check mark next week. Elon Musk. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.